In this video, I will show you how to encrypt password on Cisco devices. This is applicable to any Cisco switch or Cisco router. Let's first create a new admin account, a simple one just for this demo. If we check the configuration, notice that we can view it on plain text. If someone viewed your running configuration or your backup configuration file, then they can easily identify your password because it's on plain text. To encrypt the password, let's go to Global Configuration Mode. Enter the command Service Password Encryption. If we show the running configuration again, notice that the password is now encrypted. This command will encrypt the existing plain text passwords and any new ones added after the command is enabled. Let's try to create new admin account. Let's check the running configuration again. You can see that the password will also be encrypted. This command does not affect enable secret passwords, which are already securely hashed using MD5, Type 5, or newer algorithms. Now, if we try to undo the command by entering the command no service password encryption, let's check the running configuration again. You can see that it will not decrypt the current passwords. They remain encrypted in Type 7 format. It's best practice to always add this command on your configuration. Never ever leave your password in plain text. However, if we try to create new admin account after we remove the password encryption command, let's check the running configuration again. You can see here the two previous admin accounts before we remove the password encryption command and notice the new account we just created. Passwords will not be encrypted or the type is 0. Again, always practice to apply the very basic security commands. Well, that's all for today's demonstration, and I really hope you liked this video. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification bell for more amazing tutorials. Thank you, and I hope to see you on the next video. Cheers!